Let's have a look at an example of drawing a Venn diagram. We've been given some information here, and it's asked us to complete a Venn diagram of the information. As we go through, we're going to highlight the key information so that we can include it in our Venn diagram. The statement says 100 people were asked about their pets. That's important. 100 people altogether were asked about their pets. 20 people only had a cat. Only had a cat. 45 people only had a dog. 15 people had a cat and a dog. So 15 people had both. We've got some information here and we can start filling it into our Venn diagram. So the easiest way to start with your Venn diagram is to fill in the both section first. How many people had both a cat and a dog? Actually, we should put our labels on first so we know which bubble is which. This is cat, this is dog. Now we can fill in the both category first, the section where our circles overlap. How many people had a cat and a dog? Well, that was 15. 15 people had a cat and a dog. 15 in the overlap section. I'm going to cross that off so we don't forget we've already put that information in. Then we can fill in, if we know the information, how many people don't fit in either category. We haven't been told that, so we're going to have to leave that bit to the end. But next we can fill in our cat and dog section. 20 people only had a cat. That means in this section where it's just cats, not the dogs as well, just cats, was 20. There were 20 people who just had cats. So we've done the 20 people that just had cats, we can cross them off. And 45 people only had dogs. So in this section that's only dogs, not the overlap with dogs and cats, but only dogs, there were 45 people. Cross them off as well. 45 people only had dogs. So now we need to check if all of our values in our Venn diagram add up to 100. We have 20 plus 15, which is 35, plus 45 gives us 80. We only have 80 people represented on here, but 100 people were asked. So there's other 20 people. What's their situation? Well, they don't have a cat, they don't have a dog, and they don't have both. So they're outside of our circles. There are 20 people that have no cats, no dogs. Maybe they have a different pet, a bird or a fish or something. They definitely don't have a cat or a dog. So if we check again, 20 plus 15 was 35, plus 45 was 80, plus 20 gave us our 100 people. So it's really important to check that you have the right number of people on your Venn diagram and to use some detective work to find out any values that are missing, like our number of people that didn't have a cat or a dog. So there you go. This is an example of filling in our Venn diagram. It can be really helpful to use highlighting, different colors, circle key information, cross things out to make sure you have everything included.